Hello friends, welcome back to Mini Creator TV. Today we are excited to present one of our most creative and innovative projects, a DIY tractor plow machine science project. This miniature farming machine is designed to demonstrate real agricultural principles using creative engineering and smart design. You will see how we build it, test it, and use it to plow real soil just like a full-size farm tractor. But that's not all. Behind this machine is a very interesting story that teaches us the importance of hard work, innovation, and never giving up. In just a moment, I'll share that story with you, and together we'll discover how creativity can turn a simple idea into something amazing. So stay with us until the end to watch the full project, enjoy the story, and see this incredible tractor plow machine working in the field. Let's get started. Once upon a time, in a peaceful farming village surrounded by green fields and beautiful hills, there lived a group of young friends. They were known throughout the village for their creativity, curiosity, and willingness to help others. Every day, they watched the farmers work hard from sunrise until sunset. The farmers spent long hours preparing the land, plowing the soil, and getting the fields ready for planting. It was difficult work that required strength, patience, and determination. One afternoon, while resting under a large tree near the fields, the friends began talking about the challenges the farmers faced. "There must be a better way to help them," said one friend. Another nodded and replied, "The farmers work so hard every day. Maybe we can create something that makes their work easier." The group became excited. Everyone started sharing ideas. Some ideas were simple, others sounded impossible. But one idea captured everyone's attention. What if we build a tractor plow machine? For a moment, everyone became silent. Then one friend laughed and said, "That sounds like a huge project." "Maybe," replied another friend, "but if we work together, we can do it." The idea inspired the entire group. The next morning, they gathered again and began planning their project. Each friend had different skills. One was good at designing, one understood mechanics, one was excellent at measuring and building. Another was creative and always found solutions to difficult problems. They quickly realized something important. No single person could build the machine alone, but together they had everything they needed. So they divided the work among themselves. Each person took responsibility for a different part of the project. The first days were full of excitement. They collected materials, they created drawings, they built a frame, they tested wheels and moving parts. Everything seemed to be going perfectly. But soon, challenges began to appear. The wheels did not turn correctly. The frame became unstable. Some parts broke during testing. The plow did not move through the soil as expected. After several failed attempts, frustration began to grow. One friend said, "Maybe this project is too difficult." Another replied, "We've worked so hard, but nothing seems to work." For a moment, it felt like the project might fail. But one of the friends stood up and said something that changed everything. Every great achievement begins with challenges. The difference between success and failure is whether we continue moving forward. The group became quiet. Everyone knew those words were true. Instead of giving up, they decided to learn from their mistakes. They examined every problem carefully. They discussed new ideas. They improved their designs. Most importantly, they supported one another. Whenever someone became discouraged, another friend offered encouragement. Whenever someone made a mistake, the others helped find a solution. Day after day, the machine slowly improved. The frame became stronger. The wheels moved smoothly. The steering worked better. The plow became more effective. As the project continued, the friends discovered something unexpected. They were not only building a machine, they were building trust. They were learning how to communicate. They were learning how to respect each other's ideas. And they were learning the true meaning of teamwork. One evening, while working together, a disagreement occurred. Two friends had completely different ideas about how the plow should be designed. Each believed his idea was the best. The discussion became heated. Soon the entire group was divided. For the first time since the project began, teamwork seemed to disappear. Everyone became frustrated. The project stopped moving forward. Then the oldest friend spoke calmly. Teamwork does not mean always agreeing with each other. Teamwork means listening, respecting different opinions, and finding the best solution together. The group reflected on his words. Instead of arguing, they tested both ideas. To everyone's surprise, each idea had strengths. By combining the best parts of both designs, they created an even better solution. The disagreement became one of their greatest successes. From that day forward, the friends understood that different opinions can make a team stronger when everyone works toward the same goal. Weeks passed, and the tractor plow machine began to look more complete. The villagers started noticing the progress. Children stopped to watch. Farmers came to see the project. Many people were impressed by the dedication of the young team. The friends worked harder than ever because they wanted to prove that teamwork could turn an ordinary idea into something extraordinary. Little did they know, their biggest challenge was still waiting ahead. One morning, the friends arrived at their workshop ready to continue building their machine. The sun was shining and everyone was excited about the progress they had made. As they worked, dark clouds slowly gathered in the sky. At first, nobody paid much attention, but soon strong winds began sweeping across the village. The weather became worse and worse. Then a powerful storm arrived. Heavy rain poured down from the sky. The wind pushed against everything in its path. The friends rushed to protect their project, but nature was stronger than they expected. When the storm finally passed, they returned to inspect the damage. Their hearts sank. Several important parts of the machine had been damaged. Some pieces were bent, others were broken. Weeks of hard work seemed to have disappeared overnight. For a long moment, nobody spoke. Everyone felt disappointed. One friend looked at the damaged machine and quietly said, "Maybe this is a sign that we should stop." Another sat down and stared at the ground. The project that once filled them with excitement now seemed impossible. But after a few minutes, one of the friends stood up and said something remarkable. "Look at what we've already achieved. We built this machine from nothing. If we did it once, we can do it again." Slowly, the others began to smile. He was right. The storm had damaged the machine, but it had not damaged their determination. The next day, the team returned stronger than ever. Instead of complaining, they made a new plan. Instead of focusing on what they had lost, they focused on what they could rebuild. Everyone worked together. Some repaired damaged parts. Others improved the design. A few members searched for stronger materials. Every challenge became an opportunity to make the machine better. Day after day, the project moved forward once again. This time, the machine became stronger, smarter, and more reliable than before. The frame was reinforced. The wheels rolled more smoothly. The plow was redesigned to work more efficiently in the soil. What seemed like a disaster had actually helped them create a better machine. Soon, the tractor plow machine was finally ready for its biggest test. Soon, the tractor plow machine was finally ready for its biggest test. The entire village was excited. Farmers, children, and elders gathered near the field to watch. Everyone wanted to see whether the machine would really work. The friends carefully placed the tractor at the edge of the field. They checked the wheels, they checked the steering, they checked the plow. Everything was ready. One friend started the engine. The machine slowly began moving forward. Everyone watched closely. Then something amazing happened. The plow entered the soil perfectly. Fresh rows of earth appeared behind the machine. The tractor continued moving smoothly across the field. The machine was working exactly as they had hoped. The crowd cheered with excitement. The farmers smiled proudly. Months of hard work and teamwork had finally paid off. The friends looked at one another with happiness. At that moment, they realized that their success was not just about building a machine, it was about working together. They had learned that when people share ideas, support one another, and never give up, great things can happen. The machine became a symbol of teamwork, friendship, and determination. And the lesson they learned remains true for all of us today. No matter what challenge we face, we can achieve more when we work together. Remember this, a single hand can plant a seed, but many hands working together can grow an entire harvest. Thank you for watching Mini Creator TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative science projects, farming innovations, and inspiring stories. See you in the next video. What an amazing journey it has been. From a simple idea to a fully working tractor plow machine, this project showed us that creativity, hard work, and teamwork can turn dreams into reality. We hope you enjoyed watching this DIY science project and the inspiring story behind it. If you learned something new or found this video interesting, please support Mini Creator TV by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more creative farming machines, science projects, and innovative ideas for you. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and never stop believing in the power of teamwork. This is Mini Creator TV signing off. See you in the next adventure. What an amazing journey it has been. From a simple idea to a fully working tractor plow machine, this project showed us that creativity, hard work, and teamwork can turn dreams into reality. We hope you enjoyed watching this DIY science project and the inspiring story behind it. If you learned something new or found this video interesting, please support Mini Creator TV by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to our channel. Your support motivates us to create more creative farming machines, science projects, and innovative ideas for you. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Until next time, keep creating, keep learning, and never stop believing in the power of teamwork. This is Mini Creator TV signing off. See you in the next adventure.